Liberty Mutual, we love helping people with things like customizing car insurance, just like how we customize a song for you. Catered country tune. Liberty Mutual, saving you bucks by protecting your truck. Cause 30 told me to only pay for what I need. Thank you, Limu. I'll always trust in Limu with Liberty, 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 Liberty.
It's tournament time, and this March, Fanatic Sportsbook has 10 times the rewards. Starting round one, we're giving you 10 profit boosts every single tournament game day. That's over 100 chances to level up your winnings. Plus, you'll earn fan cash on your bets, which you can use on anything at Fanatics. We're talking team gear, tickets, collectibles, and a whole lot more. The tournament hits different at Fanatic Sportsbook. Must be 21 plus. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER. Offer not available in all states. Terms apply. See Fanatic Sportsbook app.
At Grand Canyon University, we believe in equal opportunity, and the American dream starts with purpose. By honoring your sacred vocation in technology, you impact your family, your friends, and your community. GCU's certificates, bachelor's, and master's online programs can accelerate your critical thinking abilities, helping solve complex business challenges with innovative technology solutions. Find your purpose at Grand Canyon University. Private, Christian, affordable. Visit gcu.edu.
Starting in a minute. I'm gonna be starting in a minute. All right. I'm gonna start in a minute. Let's get a little smoky first, and then we'll be on. We'll start coding this.
I just do me, these bitches do what I say so. Shooters with me, I got them all on the payroll. I'm so unique, I like to come in her a-hole. Cause a little ruckus, then I go home and lay low. I'm sipping on a pint of urban detergent. Yeah, I don't play with knives unless I'm leaving you squirming. I smile to the fans, but cut my wrist behind curtains. Call me Dr. Craven with the knife, I'm a surgeon. I might lose my license cause I'm cutting on purpose. You're worthless, veins, I'll be leaving them squirting. Bitch, I never liked you, I just wanted your service. Knife to your skin, got you feeling all nervous. Surrounded by these fucking voices, I just forgot that Evan said that already. Apologies, I got some pills in my belly. Was up all night, I made a mess in the telly. Am I alive or have I always been dead? I guess there's really no telling. I'm in dilemmas, no Nelly. Everybody's rocking out, my basement is smelly. I'm making money by the hour, got more bread than belly. I'm hitting heads on top of heads until the hammer is swelling. Fuck a fake asshole. The only time I buy the women is telling the twin it's only pussy she's selling. My neighbors know just when I'm fucking cause the pussy is yelling. I RIP that bitch, I know their parents are dwelling. Let me stop, no let me keep it going on your bitch ass. Heard you got some kids I'm about to kidnap. Feed the piggies poison till they're oink until they nap. I'm about to snap. Smoking on a rock, I call it crinat. Heard that you're a real tough guy, where your grip at? I heard you wanna fade, where you live at? Yeah, I've been hella rich, where you been at? Told the plug that I'll be there in a minute.
Alright, this might be a little too much for this. Let's change that. It's a little better. Don't want to go too crazy. Alright, let's get started here. So, we're gonna be doing that's a title song. Alright. Oh shit. Alright, so should be good about right there for the music. Let's get started. So basically what we're doing here is we're building a simple temperature converter. We'll be converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. So that's what we'll be doing right now. rearranging my stuff so I can see better. And this needs to go down. Oh, that's too much. Alright, so 55 will work. Alright. So we're basically using a test file to do it. I have already built the project, obviously. And I don't feel like disconnecting it and connecting it to GitHub and all that stuff. But I will be sharing all that with you and whatnot. And I will be uploading the video also of this, along with links to GitHub for the code. So we're going to start with our HTML file. We have our live server up, which is right there. And it'll display as we go. Let's get what we're doing with our HTML, okay? That's not what I want, so we're not going to be doing that. So, blah, 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 blah. Oh my god, come on, bro. We'll be using an on-click function to call a function from JavaScript, and that'll be our convert to Celsius function. Yeah, I know. This is where our answer will be going. From JavaScript, it will be injecting it there. Blah, 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 blah. I put the dash in the thing so before you try to search for your answer, before you try searching for your answer, this is what it will show right here. Then when you convert it, that'll disappear and it'll inject. Same thing, so it looks like it's only injected number only, but with a dash you know there's no answer and it hasn't been worked yet. So we're gonna have to put, let's see, we got our ID, that'll be our converter container. Boo. Converter. Oh yeah, definitely need that spelled right. Definitely need that spelled right. Good lord. Okay, so and then we're gonna need. I'm using ID a lot on this one. It's not necessarily proper in some situations, but it'll work. So this is our Farcel, which is Fahrenheit to Celsius container. Okay. Our next one will be the same thing, but it'll be our cell to far container. Cell to far. Celsius to that. Let's see. ID Celsius. Placeholder Celsius. On click. Convert to Fahrenheit. Convert. Return Fahrenheit. Looks legit. This fucking shit ain't fucking exactly fucking refreshing quite right now. Let's see if that fixed it. Maybe not, but whatever. And I'm not gonna include our info container like you saw. Let's see. So this is the live website. It's already up. It's on GitHub pages right now. This would be the link to get to it. This would also be listed when I upload the video also. But the part that I'm not including is I'm not including this container right here. Okay. It will be in the code if you want to add it yourself or whatnot. It's a simple project. You have a lot of advancements you can make with this project. There's a lot of add-ons. There's a lot of things you can do with this project. So it's a good starting point. So let's get back to our original programming. What the fuck happened now? Oh, excuse my language. Shit. Bam. Alright, back in action. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm not adding that box, so we're gonna hop right over to some JavaScript. Now, there's not much JavaScript to do, but either way, it's still good to learn. Okay. And this will be C to F formula. Okay, and that's going to be like so. And we're gonna do our function and convert to Fahrenheit. It is. So now we're gonna do C equal document. We're gonna get element by ID. And that's gonna be Celsius dot value, and then we're gonna do lit Fahrenheit equal C times 9 divided by 5 plus C times 9 divided by 5. Bam. And then we're going to do, it's going to be a document, and we'll be getting element by ID. And we're gonna do return Fahrenheit content. And that'll equal. We're going to use our backticks. And that'll be answer. We're going to need our many single and our brackets. And it'll be Fahrenheit. Only difference is we're going to kick it to a two fixed, I mean. Two fixed. And that's going to go to second. Alright. And then we're going to need our bracket. Okay. So we got our Fahrenheit 2 fixed, which will give us say if we got a 32 degrees, it'll give us 2 points after the dot. So it'll show, like, for example, 33 degrees point 33. You know what I mean? It'll break it down to 2 slots only. You can break it down to 1 slot, or you can just break it down to a whole number. It's entirely up to you. Next function is gonna be our same exact thing pretty much, but it will be backwards. Okay. To tap that. We're gonna fix that. Okay, so we're gonna use our function that we call with our other one, Celsius to Fahrenheit, and let f equal document. Get element by ID, and we'll be getting Fahrenheit this time, dot value. Okay. And then let Celsius equal, and that's going to be this bracket always mess me up with code. Sorry, I want to make sure it was right. So there you have it. There is our JavaScript. Now, theoretically, it should work. I mean, doesn't mean it's gonna work, but sometimes you miss something. That's why we always debug our code. And also with AI, a lot of times you hit the tab button by mistake one too many times, or something will get added in there, or you miss something. So, you know, things happen. But we'll test it with a control test, and we're gonna be, let's see, 32 should give us correct answer of 0.00, and then 0 should give us a correct answer of 32.00. Bam, gotcha. So that's all the basic mechanics of it. And so now just add the CSS in. Okay, and then we can add this info container if you really want to see what it looks like, so it don't look any different. And bam, we're at the same thing I showed you in an example, and of course it works. Thank you for taking a look at my beginners project. It's built for beginners to start learning. The more you code, the more you learn, the more you'll understand. Even if you don't get it yet, keep coding. Keep coding. Take projects and code them, play with them, switch the code around, see what you can do, see what you can't do, try advancing it. There's many things you can do. This is a good project to start with. It's very simple, and you can just add on to it, or build it into a project. Thank you for taking a look. I appreciate it.